Welcome to Kalari 1.6. Let's start with the warm-ups. So we're going to add 3 more now, and that's going to be the first set that you have. Okay, so just 3 more. Open. Relax. Up. Relax. Through the side. Relax. 2 fists, thumbs, underneath the armpit. Hands on the side. Lifting first the right arm. Opening the feet. Reaching. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Finish there. Little close to the feet. Coming up. Good. Then, right arm up, swing, swing. Yes. Yes. Lifting up the leg. Remember, if you wish, you can do like this. If you can, like this. And rest. Onto one leg. For now, 5 is okay. And change. Good. Then, here. Fold at the waist. Good. Coming back up. Dropping down. Now the same with straight legs. Try to just let the body drop. Now bounce. Now another bounce. Really release the head. So look through your legs and up. Then look straight. One more. Arms behind the back. Turn, down. From this side. Down. Open, release. Down. Open, release. Down. So you can see one point. See one point on the wall. Follow that point down and up like a ball. Follow it down and up. Constant speed. Down and up. Good. Finish there. Now, bring the feet from being together. Open the feet. 1, 2, to elephant. Good. Sit back with open knees and then place the hands with the thumb on the outside. Then you're going to punch and look through the arm. Come back, punch, back, punch, back, punch, back, punch, 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 punch. If we speed it up a little, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. And come up. Okay? Good. Next new one. Again, open the feet to elephant. Open the knees and press the hands forward. So try to keep this up and the two hands pressed forward. Now what you want to have is a slight opening here, a slight deviation here. We call it ulnar deviation. That will allow the two thumbs to come into a straight line on your horizon. Here, relax. So as you press forward, you're going to open this space here, allowing this to be flat on the horizon. Straight from the shoulders. So you don't need to bring the hands together, rather have it coming straight forward from the shoulder. So the two hands should be the same distance as the two shoulders. Let's try once more. So feet together. Open the toes and the feet. Then we're going to sit back, press, and then stand up and relax. Press, relax. Remember, sit back, press, relax, press, relax, press, relax, press. So when you go down, it's small hold, hold. Good, enough. And then we finish. And now we'll add one more, new one, to finish. Now here, please don't go too far back. No back bend, okay? Just simply bring the spine into this position of extension. You don't need to do that. So we're going to swing the arms. Try to build the speed up. And then the eyes go up and forward. So the body goes back, forward, back, forward. Just 3 times this one. Then forward. Note my hand is together. Fingers together, thumbs separate. And then bring the feet together. Open the toes. Reach up, forward, and up. Open. Now if you wish, when you go down, you can just rest there. Let the head drop. You can take 2 or 3 breaths. And come back up. So you can go down and take 2 or 3 breaths and come back up. This will have a softening effect on the body. Opening. Let the hands just join naturally here at the bottom. And finish there. Now we haven't spoken about breathing. Well done. We haven't spoken about breathing much so far. In Kalari there is a lot less direction of the breath than in perhaps the yoga that you have learned, if you've learned yoga. Instead of trying to direct the breath, what we say is simply try to breathe nasally. Try to keep the breathing relaxed. The breathing will naturally find a rhythm to go with the movements. But it's not a case of trying to inhale on one movement, exhale on another movement. That is not there traditionally in Kalari. Traditionally, it's simply a case of trying to retain nasal breathing. This is because if you find yourself breathing with the mouth, and obviously I'm having to breathe a little with the mouth because I'm talking to you so much, but if you find yourself breathing with the mouth, best to rest, walk, and allow the breathing to come back to nasal breathing. This will help you to stay in aerobic respiration, i.e. respiration in the presence of oxygen. If you find yourself going into mouth breathing, you're probably going to go towards anaerobic respiration, respiration in the absence of oxygen, and the result of anaerobic respiration is you produce lactic acid in the body and you'll get cramps the next day, or delayed onset muscle soreness, DOMS. So to avoid that, try to breathe with the nose. Okay, so we've now completed all the warm-ups that I'm going to teach you for now. We will come back to these exercises, the Cheru Toril, short works, Cheru Toril, which come from central style Kalari. There are 3 styles of Kalari, one from the north of Kerala, one from the south, one from the center. We are teaching you all 3 styles in this course because all 3 styles work best together. So these warm-ups which come from central, we will revisit them later and we will add more to them. For now, that's all I'm going to show you for now. So from the next lesson, you're going to have a complete set of these warm-ups at the beginning of each lesson to follow through. But we won't add any new ones for now. If you feel you need more direction in them, go back to these first classes. And in these first classes, we've gone obviously through them with more detail. You can check again the details. but I think you should be fairly all right with them now. Okay, now let's go on to the first kick. All I'm going to add to this today, in the last class we talked about this extension through the hands. All I'm going to add to this today is to try to relax the body, because we've given you now lots of points, and it's going to be very easy to become so obsessed with all of that that you become stiff. So instead, just now focus on relaxing the body. As much as you can, relax. Only use the tension you need to complete the action. So, bringing up the arms, relax from that point, still keeping the arms up. Lift the left foot behind, step and swing. Step and swing. Let the leg drop. 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 Keep the body relaxed as you can. Keep the eyes in one place. Finish with the right and turn. Step with the right. Try to breathe with the nose. Good. Turn. Good. Finish there. So just to remind you, if you don't have space, try to do 3 kicks and then 2, 2, 2, 2. We'll do that again now, just to remind you. Okay, Vika, so let's do it like that. We'll do 3 kicks, then 2, 2, 2. So, keeping the body relaxed. 1, 2, 3, turn. 1, 2, turn. That's fine. Let's try again. Try again. No problem. So we'll go from here. 1, 2, 3, turn. Now 2. 1, 2, turn. Good. Now 2. 1, 2, turn. 2 again. 1, 2. Good. Finish. So we did 3 plus 2, 2, 2. We did 9. I'd say to start with, it's best to try and aim for 3 sets of 17. So that's 51. If you are a little bit older, some of our students are in their 60s, some of our students even closer to 70, that's going to be too many. In which case, please do a lot less. Please maybe 1.5 sets, so around 25 to 30. Yeah? Even if you just do 12, that's still good. And please don't try and kick too high. Okay? I'm now going to reduce the height. Okay? Because I don't want you to try to work to kick too high. Because then this will happen. And your body will become very tense. So instead, keep the height a bit lower. Let's go once more. Now we'll do the full length, okay? So, keeping now the leg lower. So the attention is to keep the upper body stable, to let the leg drop, come behind, and turn. Step. But remembering the heel strike, the extension, the dropping the leg. Remembering to keep your eyes up and focused. One place. Ready? Turn. Finish. Okay. Let's go now on to the form. So, before we start the form, we're going to look at the end section. So at the end of last time, we got as far as the elephant. So if we go down into the elephant, here, this is where we were. We're now going to move to the side. So let's just come off the knees, just to make it easier. You're going to bring the hands in and you're going to turn this foot. So in one movement together, you bring the hands in, turn the foot, and you look to the left side. Then this foot is going to come across and out. The right foot is going to move. And the hands here. Open the arms, palms down, then palms up, and you come into this mudra. So this is called Ganesh Mudra. What you'll see is we have one arm forward and one arm bent. This arm is soft, like you're giving something to someone. This arm is strong. So you want to fold this arm, make a fist, and then twist it. Twist it this way, so that you create torque in the elbow. The back of the hand close to the ear. Meanwhile, this arm is soft, the palm is open, like you're giving something to someone. Yes, relax. So to put that together again, we're down in the elephant. We're going to turn the foot, bring the hands in and turn the head. Then we're going to move out here, here. Then we push up, twist to the front. Then you step back, twist, step forward, twist, and step back. Good. Once more. So we're down in the elephant. Now, when you make this initial movement, try not to sit out here on your hip. This should stay where it is. This shouldn't move. Instead, the movement happens on the left side, here. Then, open. Push up. Turn to the front. Look at your hand. Look at this left hand as you move. Step, step, step. Good. Once more. As you make this movement, try to relax the upper body. So once more. Look to the left. Open. Push up. Turn. Now relax the upper body. Step, turn. Step, turn. Step. Good. Now, this whole section is going to come at the end of what we already have. So now we'll go from the beginning. We'll go from the beginning and we'll add this in at the end. Yes, here. Good. Little slowly. Relax the shoulder. Step forward. Extend. Left hand back. Step forward. Cover the head. Lift the foot. Down. Hands together. Forward. Come back up. Thumb to the eye. Turn the body. Drop. Down. Sitting into the cat. Forward bow. Come from the floor. Up. Forward. Down. Push up. Right leg around. step back. Good. Little adjustment here. Yes. Into the body, forward. Left hand, right hand, lift up, down, forward, down. Place the hands. Good. Be careful here not to go back, just extend. Up. Eyes open wide, turn, spot. Little up your spine, Vika. Yes. Hands in and forward. Left, right. Keep the body soft. Once more, down. Good. Stay there. Now, from here, in, open. Good. Push up, turn, relax. Keep the upper body relaxed. Good. Finish there. Well done. Okay, that's as far as we're going to go with the form today. We've almost finished it now. In the next class, we will finish the form. Let's finish with 7 kicks. Nice and easy. Step and swing. 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 One more. Bring the feet together. Bring the feet together. That's okay. Reach up. Forward and down. And up. Open. Close. Forward and down. And up. Open. And on the last one, we'll take 3 breaths down. Forward and down. And coming up. Open. Finish there. Great, well done. Thank you, Vika. Thank you, Masi. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Nalakanam.